The new DreamCloud Classic Hybrid is softer than the old version, coming in around a 6.5 out of 10, right at medium firm. It's got that plush pillow top feel with bounce from coils underneath, very much like a high-end hotel bed. For back sleepers, it's an excellent match, giving the right mix of contouring and support. Side sleepers under 200 pounds will get decent pressure relief, but heavier side sleepers may feel some pressure. Light to average weight stomach sleepers can be fine, though heavier folks will want something firmer. Motion isolation is solid, partner movement isn't a big issue, and unboxing is easy with a friend. Inside, you'll find a quilted foam cover with cooling fibers, memory foam for pressure relief, a transition layer, and pocketed coils for support. Best of all, a queen runs about $600 with discounts. Plus, you get a 365 night trial, forever warranty, and free shipping. It's a great value for back sleepers and anyone who wants bounce and responsiveness, but not the best if you prefer deep, slow moving memory foam or need something extra soft. Do your own research.